Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of my favorite low-maintenance blooming houseplants, Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana, also known as Flaming Katy, Christmas Kalanchoe, Florist Kalanchoe, or even Madagascar Widow's Thrill. This succulent from Madagascar is famous for its clusters of bright, star-shaped flowers in red, orange, pink, yellow, or white, and those glossy, scalloped dark green leaves make it look lush even when it's not blooming. Look at this beauty right here, thick, shiny leaves, super compact bushy growth, and those cheerful red-orange flower clusters popping up on tall stems. It's such a crowd pleaser, especially around winter and holidays, but with the right care, it can rebloom year after year. First things first, light. Kalanchoe loves bright light, think 6 to 8 hours of indirect sunshine a day. A south or west-facing window is perfect indoors. It can handle some direct morning sun, but too much harsh afternoon light will scorch those pretty leaves. If your plant starts stretching or the flowers fade quickly, it's probably not getting enough light. Move it closer to the window and watch the difference. Watering is where most people go wrong. As a succulent, this plant hates wet feet. Let the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out completely before watering, usually every 7 to 14 days, depending on your home's temperature and humidity. Always use a pot with drainage holes, and never let it sit in standing water. Overwatering leads to root rot fast. Underwatering? The leaves will wrinkle a bit, but it bounces back quickly once you water. Bottom line, err on the dry side. Soil should be well draining. Use a cactus or succulent mix straight from the bag, or make your own by mixing regular potting soil with perlite and coarse sand. This prevents soggy roots and keeps your plant happy. Temperature-wise, keep it cozy, 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, during the day, and a bit cooler at night is fine. Avoid drafts, cold windows in winter, or hot radiators. It's not frost-tolerant, so bring it inside if you move it outdoors in summer. Fertilizing. During spring and summer when it's actively growing, feed it once a month with a balanced houseplant fertilizer diluted to half strength, or use a succulent-specific one. Skip fertilizing in fall and winter when it's resting. Pruning and deadheading. After the flowers fade, snip off the spent stems just above a set of leaves. This keeps it tidy and encourages bushier growth. You can even propagate those cuttings in water or soil. They root super easily. Want it to rebloom? Here's the secret, Kalanchoe is a short-day plant. In fall, give it 14 to 16 hours of complete darkness every day for about 6 weeks. Cover it with a box or move it to a dark room from 5 p.m. to 8 a.m. After that, bright light triggers new buds. Patience pays off, you'll get another explosion of color. Common problems? Yellow leaves usually mean overwatering. Leggy growth equals not enough light. Pests like mealybugs or spider mites can show up, so check the undersides of leaves and treat with neem oil if needed. Overall, Kalanchoe Blossfeldiana is forgiving, colorful, and doesn't demand constant attention. It's perfect for desks, shelves, or bright windowsills. If you've got one like mine, huge, bushy, and full of blooms, you're doing great. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant care tips, and tell me in the comments, what's your Kalanchoe's flower color? Have you rebloomed yours? See you in the next video. Happy planting!